It's a perfect situation.
Yes, this still looks dirty because I've just made the pesto that I showed last week. So I don't mind if bits of this get in the hummus. Now I have some home canned chickpeas, or if you call them garbanzo beans, and I need to open this. That's it, I've moved the tripod out of my way now because it was, that's a good seal. And in go chickpeas, water as well. Right, I should stop getting ahead of myself. I hadn't put my blade in, so I had to take all the chickpeas out so I can put that in alright. So, that's where we're up to now. Now you can get this tahini, you don't have to use tahini, you can use peanut butter. Well, I got some tahini a while ago, so there, it's about a dessert spoonful. If you want more of the flavour, add more to it. That'll do. And I haven't got any garlic sorted at the moment, but I have got this that I haven't tried yet. It's just garlic paste, so I'm going to add some garlic paste in, just for ease convenience. Salt. Pepper. Lay down. Turn it on at the wall. I always like to pulse a bit. Now let's have a taste. See if it's how I want it. Now enough salt. Way low on salt. And pepper. That is a lot better, but still not quite. And that should be exactly right. Get yourself a container, any container will do, and just put it in. And it doesn't matter that there been flecks of basil in there. And that's it. These containers I think are absolutely brilliant because the lids, you put on them and that will seal them, but you can also vacuum seal them, and they come in a set of 3, this being the larger, and you get this suction pump and you just put it on, pump it a few times and it sucks the air out. I don't know if you'll make that out, but the lid is sucked in, and hopefully you'll hear that's allowing the air back in so that you can open it up, but I'm not going to. So that's going for the fridge, and I'm going to make another type of hummus, because you can make hummus from anything basically, any vegetable. So I'm going to make beetroot hummus, and this is last year's beetroot that I canned up, so I'm going to make a hummus out of it, and I'll show you when it's done. That is the beetroot hummus, made exactly the same, apart from I don't put in any of the tahini, and this is made from a jar of homegrown, home canned beetroot. I don't put the juice in because it will make it far too runny, and I don't want a runny hummus. So what I do is I take off the water, and it's got a little bit of nutrient in it, so I give it to the chickens and they love it. But there's another one of those containers. Medium sized one. Lid on. And put chickpea or garbanzo bean hummus and beetroot hummus. I have no tahini in the beetroot, but I have put a few walnuts in. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.